Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm trying out a new product for the very first time. When I say new, it's new to me, probably not new to you at all. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Essence. Guys, this video is, I would say, almost like 2 or 3 years overdue. I've only been on YouTube for 1.5 years, but I'd say like 3 years overdue because I've been writing on my blog since 2015, so you think it's literally been a long time coming, and I have received so many samples of this in the last couple of years. I've had to throw away a couple of them because I've just not used them, and guys, I've got a stash right now of, including this one, I've got 4 unopened bottles of this stuff in my skincare box, so I need to get to using and see what all the fuss is about. So that is what we're doing in today's video. I will not keep you here with my blabbings, so before we get into the video, make sure you remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Hi guys! It's funny, I'm feeling very mild today, but I'm feeling quite like energetic inside, which is so random. I've got Carrie Underwood stuck in my head. I love her, literally love Carrie Underwood. Anyway, so let's just start with the basics. So guys, right here I have the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Ooh, this is £59. But there is a caveat to that because this comes in a whopping 4 sizes. So stay with me for a second. So this comes in a 50ml size, which is £28, a 150ml size, which is £59, a 250ml size, which is £85. Are you ready for this? And a 250ml LE. I don't know what an LE is. Oh, that's the limited edition, which is also £85. So the limited edition one just has pictures on it, which is quite cute. It's quite nice. I think if you are a fan of this, then the limited edition one is a great thing to have because it's very unique and limited edition. But yes, so £59 this is, and they describe this as our best-selling anti-pollution treatment essence powered by potent kombucha to deliver 8 benefits for smooth, luminous skin. Ooh, very nice. So the 3 main benefits of this essence is 1, anti-pollution, 2, luminosity, and 3, smooths. That is quite interesting because my face did feel quite smooth. It felt a bit sticky, but smooth, but I won't go too much into that. You need to watch the rest of the video. Okay, so tell me more. So they say, this liquid treatment provides protection from indoor and outdoor pollution plus digital light while increasing smoothness, luminosity, and suppleness. It also minimizes the look of pores and fine lines, hydrates and preps for next steps. The star is kombucha, fermented black tea, rich in antioxidants. That is very interesting. But guys, if you watched my Murad Retinol Renewal First Impressions video, I was talking about how I'm getting older and I want to not start taking care of my skin, because I do take care of my skin, but start using targeted products that will just help me prolong my skin. Guys, it's my birthday tomorrow, and turning 28, just feel like this is the age to really start taking skincare and restorative skincare a lot more seriously. So I do want to get more into like kombucha products, black tea products, retinol and stuff, and this is a really great product to start off with. Okay, so benefits and proof. So like I said, 3 main benefits is this provides anti-pollution, luminosity, and smooths the skin. But the Kombucha 8, this is something that Fresh have put down, and they say that this treatment essence has 8 proven benefits. So the 8 proven benefits is 1, anti-pollution, 2, boosts luminosity, 3, smooths skin texture, 4, preps for the next steps, 5, refines the look of pores, 6, reduces the look of fine lines, 7, improves skin's bounce, and 8, provides 24-hour hydration. Interesting. I will be the judge of that, guys. My skin gets so dry. I talk about this all the time, so I will definitely be keeping an eye out on how my skin feels in terms of hydration. And like I say later on in the video, because when I used it this morning, I used it with a whole bunch of other products, which is not something that I normally do when I try out a product for the first time. The next time I use this, I'm only going to use the essence on its own and just really strip back my skincare routine so that I can really see if I can feel the benefits of this essence for myself. And then in ingredients, in terms of ingredients, this has 3 main ingredients. The first of which is kombucha, you already know. The second is hyaluronic acid. This is really great for hydrating your skin real deep down in the layers. And then this also has mandarin peel extract. That's quite interesting, but I'm sure that that is what helps with the luminosity and helping to make your skin brighter, because we know that citric acid and vitamin C comes from oranges, and so that will help with the brightening of the face, I assume anyway. Okay, so they say kombucha, fermented black tea, helps to smooth, increase luminosity and protect against pollution and free radicals. Hyaluronic acid works to maintain moisture for supple skin. Mandarin peel extract helps promote an even complexion. And then this has Camellia africana fruit extract, which helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. Then this just has a bunch of other ingredients that I can't read, but I'm seeing glycerin, I'm seeing citric acid, biotin. Okay, nice. And then in terms of how to use, they say gently pat over cleansed face and neck with your palms. Use daily to prep skin for your serum and moisturizer. Okay, and as always, I really love Fresh for their FAQ section, because it helps to just clear up a lot of questions that you and I, the customer, have about the products. So the first question is, what's an essence? So Fresh says, an essence is the first step in treating the skin. It specifically delivers concentrated ingredients with targeted benefits like smoothing, hydrating and refining, while prepping the skin for the products applied after. Think serums, moisturizers and night creams. This allows your products to work more effectively, and that is why you should use it first. What is kombucha? So kombucha is fermented black tea rich in natural acids and vitamins that has been around since ancient times. Historically, it has been known throughout Asia and Russia as an immortal elixir beverage for its energizing and detoxifying properties. When it comes to skincare, kombucha keeps skin smooth, boosts luminosity and protects from pollution. And then the final question, how is kombucha specifically protecting my skin from air pollution? A very interesting question. So air pollution, both indoor and outdoor, contains particle matter like heavy metals, hydrocarbons and other contaminants that are smaller than 2.5 microns in size. Wow, we're getting really scientific, guys. These microscopic particles can cause oxidative stress that leads to premature fine lines, dryness and a dull, fragile complexion. The potent kombucha ingredients protect skin from indoor and outdoor pollutants in 2 ways. First, it deactivates damaging pollutants to minimize interaction with the skin and prevent oxidative stress. Second, the antioxidant rich ingredient neutralizes free radicals caused by pollution and environmental aggressors. Wow, it's funny because for me, I always think of pollution as being outdoors and, you know, being out and about with the cars and fumes from the environment. I never think of pollution really being from inside, but I can definitely see that with us now spending more time inside, we can still feel the effects of stress from our environment and stuff. So this kombucha essence could be quite good at just helping keeping your skin like less stressed and less affected by, you know, the heavy metals in the air, which I actually had no idea about. Wow, okay, so guys, I feel like that is all of the information on this kombucha essence. If you have any questions, I would just check out the Fresh website. Feel free to ask me any questions down below in the comments. And yeah, I feel like let's jump straight into the morning skincare routine. I'm so tired. Anyway, so we're gonna jump straight into the skincare routine. On the Fresh website, they say to use an essence first, so that's what we're going to be doing. So there will be no toner as the first step. But yeah, I'm gonna jump in first of all with essence. I'm super excited to try this out because, like I said, it's been years and yeah, I'm really excited about it. Because this is my first time, I'm going to put on a bit more. This has quite a nice sweet kind of smell to it. It kind of reminds me of a Lipton's iced tea, so it's got a nice like faint kind of sweet smell to it. This dries down super fast. They say that you're supposed to use your fingers, your hands, which for me in my skincare routine, I just love products I can just use my hands because I like to just like feel them the extra bit more. That is a lot. Because this one doesn't have like a protective top, what you pour on your hand, you need to be careful with it. It's kind of sticky. It's got like a sticky kind of feel to it, so it's a bit tacky. And like I said, it dries down super fast. Like it's yeah, like when I do this, I can feel like my hands are kind of sticking together. But all in all, I kind of feel like that's quite nice. It's just such a simple product, and I think if you've tried essences before, if you've used toners before, then you kind of know the kind of texture that they have. Very thin, literally this is like water. I think technically this is literally just kombucha right here. So yeah, very thin, very watery. My face just really feels a bit sticky, to be honest. It doesn't feel particularly smooth. No, I think my face is just a bit too sticky to feel smooth, if that makes sense. But when I run down, it's like I can't feel my bumps obviously, if that makes sense. But intrigued by that. I can't really see much of a difference in terms of glow. So whereas my floral toner gives me that instant pep, that instant glow, I don't see that so much with the essence. So I think for me, even though you can alternate between an essence or a toner, for me, I'm going to use my toner as always, because I don't feel particularly hydrated in my skin. My skin feels a bit dry here, whereas normally with a toner, my face doesn't feel dry at all. So I'm going to whack on my toner, and then I guess we'll just see throughout the morning routine how the kombucha essence makes my face feel. But yeah, let's jump into the rest of the morning skincare routine. Like, do you see, like, I look a lot more glowy, a lot more pepped than I did before I put on my toner, whereas when I put on the essence, I didn't really look this like bright and this glowy. But that said, I will say that if you want to use both an essence and a toner, I would put on the essence first and then I would put on the toner, because the essence feels a bit thinner, a bit more lightweight compared to the toner, which is skincare layering 101. Put on products from the thinnest through to the thickest. Guys, this eye cream is really beginning to grow on me. I think the very first time I used it, I wasn't really like into it. I mean, I didn't hate it, but I was a bit like, it's alright. But I really quite like it. My only issue is that I'm literally putting on way too much, but no such thing as too much eye cream in the grand scheme of things. The Glow Pot is just really nice. Also, I know I said this in my last video, but I'm really obsessed with this Glow Pot oil. It's just such a simple product. I think that's how I describe every product these days. Such a simple product that does what you want. Super nice. And if you want to find out any more information on the Glow Pot as a whole, I do have a full video about the Glow Pot and my first impressions on them, so make sure you check that out after this video. And then finally, to round things out, I've got my day cream. Guys, I'm using a new day cream if you haven't watched my previous video. So I'm now using the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream with a vitamin fruit complex. It's a nice thick cream, hydrating, and it gives a nice glow. Not that I really need it. Nice. Okay guys, so the first half of the skincare is on, so I'm now gonna run and get dressed, and then when I get back we're gonna do sunscreen and lip balm. Hi guys, I'm back. I am dressed, fully dressed. Okay. Okay. I always forget where I am. Okay guys, so I am back, I'm dressed, time to put on some sunscreen. I've got my Paula's Choice Youth Extended Daily Hydrating Fluid. This is SPF 50, guys. This is such a great sunscreen. You have to try it. It's a bit more expensive than my normal Nivea sunscreen, but if you have a bit of extra cash to splash, then this is well worth a buy. I can't remember how much it is, but I can check. Okay, this is £34, but it does come in a couple of other sizes, which you can get a sample for £1, you can get a travel size for £11, or you can get the full size for £34. So I think really quite good pricing. Don't need to shake it. You can hear it. Very liquidy. Anyway guys, really random. I have Carrie Underwood, End Up With You, stuck in my head. If you guys didn't know, I am a huge Carrie Underwood country music fan. I'm like, wow. We can end up broke down on some back road, living in the backseat to the stereo. Wouldn't be the worst scenario, cause all I wanna do is end up with you. Guys, that song is such a cute song, you have to listen to it. I do like this sunscreen. I really keep thinking it's gonna leave me looking super ashy, but I'm like, where is the ash? I just look like myself. It's a really nice consistency. I really like it. I have to say thank you to Evie for the recommendation and for putting it into her Paula's Choice box. Really such a great product. And then finally we've got lip balm just to bring everything together. Nice. Cool. Okay guys, so we're done. Okay guys, so as first impressions go on the black tea kombucha essence, to be honest, I feel like I thought I would be really like, oh my god, this is so great. I thought it'd be super wild. This is one of Fresh's best-selling products. This is, I think, their best-selling product in the black tea range. People rave and rant about this essence, so I was expecting something super exciting from the first use. My face felt kind of dry after I used it. Well, not dry, but it didn't feel nourished or hydrated like it usually feels after I put on a toner. It was a bit sticky. I don't know if I was expecting it to be sticky, but now that I think about it, I think I was expecting it to kind of be a bit like a Lipton iced tea, which it was. The smell is quite nice. It's got a nice delicate sweet smell. It's nothing too overpowering. Yeah, it's got a really nice light smell. It kind of just smells like the rest of the black tea range. If you've tried any of the Fresh black tea products, then this pretty much smells like it, but it's more delicate, I think, because their other products are quite thick, so they've got more of a chance to smell like that, but this is quite like thin and lightweight and delicate, so the smell's not as strong. Right now though, my face feels super hydrated. It feels super soft, but you guys saw the products that I put on, so I think it's something that I'm gonna obviously just have to keep using, and I think the next time I use it, I'm gonna use it with less products, which is something that I would actually normally do when I'm trying out a new product. I would just use the bare minimum skincare products. So I think the next time I use this, I won't put on a toner. I won't put on like 2 serums and a whole bunch of other stuff. I'll literally just do this 1 serum and a moisturizer and sunscreen or night cream, just to see if there is a difference in my skin, because right now my skin feels really nice, hydrated, soft, smooth. It feels good. I've got a nice like subtle glow to my face, but I wouldn't put that down to the essence on its own. I would put that down to my other products that are more glow inducing. But you know what, I think I have so many of these. I've actually got 4 samples of these, so I'm gonna just be using these until they finish, and I don't know if I will buy this. I think it's something that I'll need to see over the next couple of months if it's worth buying, but I will keep you guys posted as always. And yeah, I feel like that is all from me. Let me know down below in the comments if you have tried this essence. Let me know if my first impressions are just completely way off and this is the best skincare product you have ever tried. I'd love to know. I do know that lots of people love this essence and are obsessed with this essence, so I think it's something that I will grow to like in time, but we will see. But yes, let me know if you've tried this. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.